focus once again, and this is with regards to the Congress's reaction. Now, the Congress, remember, is to appear before the court as the Delhi High Court has summoned Jairam Ramesh and Pawan Khera in the defamation suit filed by Smriti Irani. And now we're picking up news from top Congress sources that both the leaders are not going to be deleting their tweets. Now, what had happened essentially was that the Delhi High Court had issued summons to Congress leaders Jairam Ramesh and Pawan Khera on a defamation suit by Smriti Irani, the Union Minister, for allegations these leaders made against their daughter, and further directed the Congress leaders to remove all allegedly defamatory materials from social media platforms within 24 hours. And now source-based information coming in that might not happen. So this is the top Congress sources revealing to Times Now that the Congress leaders perhaps will not take down their tweets. Harish is joining us with more details. Harish, what ramifications legally could this have if the Congress leaders do not oblige to the Delhi High Court's ruling that these tweets be taken down within the next 24 hours as the deadline was set by the High Court itself? What happens next?
Yes, in fact, the deadline for removing these tweets expires in 24 hours. But to these summons, they have got time till August 18th to reply. That is the next date of hearing. And in case they don't appear, maybe their strategy is that they might be challenging the summons before a higher court, that is the Supreme Court, saying that the High Court had exceeded its brief and could not have summoned us before establishing a prima facie case against us. But obviously, this defiance of High Court will definitely have its own repercussions. Maybe the High Court might issue one more summons, and issue even can once Smriti Irani complains after 24 hours that despite the High Court order, the three respondents have not removed the tweets. High Court can in fact take a very strict action and can in fact issue a warrant also. But maybe perhaps the strategy is that they might be challenging it, this order in the Supreme Court. Earlier the day, remember, on the civil defamation suit filed by the Smriti Irani, claiming a damage of rupees 2 crore. So the High Court had in fact issued summons to Pawan Khera, Jairam Ramesh and Netta D'souza and sought their response by August 18, but said that within 24 hours they have to remove these allegedly defamatory tweets, failing which strict action will be taken. And let me read out from the suit, which says that despite being fully aware of the fact that the applicant and her daughter are neither owners of the premises or said restaurant, nor have they applied for any license in relation to the said restaurant, defendants deliberately made various defamatory statements. It also says that these Congress leaders have conspired with each other to launch a tirade of false, scathing and belligerent personal attacks against me and my daughter with the common motive to malign, defame and injure me and my daughter's reputation, moral character and public image. So we'll have to wait and watch how things pan out from here on, because 24 hours is the time given to these three respondents to remove all these allegedly defamatory tweets
24 hours have been given to the three respondents, the three leaders. Well, we did also pick up a reaction from one of the Congress leaders who back then a few minutes ago said that this was unfair and that the court should not have jumped to this conclusion so soon. So once again questioning the court's intervention at that. Let's see how that plays out. But Harish, thank you for joining us with all those details. Let's see what kind of ramifications could this have if the Congress leaders fail to abide by what the High Court has ruled. Let's quickly shift our focus to more